Welcome to Cuiabá, the heart of Brazil's Mato Grosso state, where the sun shines bright and the culture is vibrant. Fact 1, this city is known as the Green City due to its 300 plus parks and squares. Imagine that, a city bustling with nature. Fact 2, the fish here, oh the fish. Cuiabá's cuisine is a fish lover's paradise. The local favorite, pasu, a freshwater fish served as an unmissable delicacy. Fact 3, Cuiabá is the geodesic center of South America, the exact middle point of the continent. How's that for a geographical marvel? Now let's flip the coin. Weirdest fact 1, Cuiabá is hotter than the Sahara Desert. That's right, pack your shorts. Weirdest fact 2, they celebrate a festival here called Festa de Santo Antonio de Leverguer, where people race on bulls. Talk about high-speed thrill. Weirdest fact 3, the local language Cuiabanese is so unique that even Brazilians from other parts find it difficult to understand. And finally, the cherry on top, this remarkable city is home to over 600,000 people. So, intrigued by Cuiabá? For more amazing facts and stories, follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgels. Keep exploring, keep learning.